How to set Camera Auto FPS to use 30 and 60 FPS on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the camera app. After that, tap on the control button. Then tap on settings. Now in camera settings, we go down and tap on Auto FPS. Now by default, it may be set to off. So you can choose use 30 FPS and 60 FPS videos. Now tap on the back key to go back to your camera. Here, if you record, you should be able to record in 30 or 60 FPS. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.